All right, people, so we got some stuff going on. So it's October 28th today. A couple days till Halloween, but there's also COVID right now, so they want to cancel Halloween and cancel trick-or-treating, but we don't want to do that. We still want the kids to be able to come trick-or-treating and come get some candy. But we want to do it safely, so that's what we're doing today. If you've ever seen The Price is Right and the Punch-a-Bunch game, punch your hand through the paper hole and then you pull out your little card with the money on it. That's what we're going to build today. So we got a 4x8 sheet of 1/2 inch MDF, 10 by 20, so 200 cups. I'm going to take the router and I'm going to router out 200 holes and put the cup in the hole, and then we're going to cover it up with tissue paper. So we're going to get some black and orange tissue paper, cover it, stick it in the hole, and then the kids will be able to come up and stick their hand through, punch the paper, pull the candy out. Should be a good time. So that's going to serve two purposes. One, we don't have to make contact with the children, and then two, they also don't have to make contact with any other areas that another kid touched. And it should be fun for them. Wife's going now. She's going to pick up the tissue paper, and we're going to get some glow paint. She was all excited about the glow paint. We're going to paint the background, and I got some orange blinking Christmas lights, so we want to try to set this thing up, make it fun for the kids. They didn't ask for this, so we'll try to make it fun for them. Okay, so I got all my lines drawn. We're actually going to downsize it a little bit. We're going to do 9 and 19, so that'll give me a little bit of room on the outside also. Putting the center of the cup here, so cup will be there, and then we'll have a little bit for like 2x4 bracing and mounting the lights all the way around it. So we still are going to have 361 cups. I'm going to be using a Jasper jig to cut the holes. My jig that has the smaller diameter is actually broken. So what I'm going to have to do is line this up and then drill the hole that I need down there in the other jig, and then we can get started on the fun part. Okay, so board's all done. Did a little bit of cleanup because it got a lot of dust. So basically what we're going to do here is we're going to take the cups, we're going to put some candies inside there, and we're going to take some napkins. She said she couldn't find any tissue paper or enough. So this is just an example. She's not home yet, so we're going to take this like this. I don't even think we'll need to rubber band it. We can just stick this thing right down this way, pull the tissue down, snug it up real good. So now that's in there like that. So now kid comes up, they find their hole that they want, they poke through, they dig in, and then they grab all their candy out of there. And now they know that that hole's already done, and then we can move on. So I think that's where I'm going to end this one. Stick around for the rest of the build, and then we can show it in action once it's all done.